In this video, I want to show you how to use Instagram Restyle story option. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, make sure you update your Instagram app before you want to use the AI Restyle. So first, make sure you have successfully updated, and after that you need to simply open up the Instagram. Then you have to simply tap on your Instagram story option to create the new Instagram story. So simply tap on the camera and now here capture a photo to make the Instagram story. So basically Instagram Restyle features are basically a AI based feature which allows you to remove the specific part on this particular photo. So let me show how to use the Restyle. So simply tap on the three lines. So here you will find the AI Restyle option. Simply activate this option, and now here you can simply remove the specific part on this picture by using the AI. So here I want to simply tap on the remove. So I want to type here removed AC remote. And then if I tap on the arrow, so here you can see it detects the automatically AC remote control, and now you can see the AC remote control is successfully removed from the photo. So this is actually a main benefit of the Restyle with AI option. So I want to simply create now a story, so simply tap on the 10. Now if you publish the Instagram story, so here you notice that and the remote control is successfully removed from my Instagram story. So you can easily remove any part from the photo by using AI. So you can see Restyle with the Meta AI, and I want to also show you guys my second photo, which one is also restyled with the Meta AI. So this is the new feature which recently launched on Instagram. So if you want to get this option, so make sure you update your Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video.